மதிர விசில் பறக்கவே.
As Araku is a brand for coffee, now it is turning a new event into tourism as well. In coming days, it's going to be global and a lot of international tourists are going to come here. We are exploring the way of giving a beautiful experiential tourism.
Move your body. The whole squad, let's be on the party. It's too much heat. It's what you gotta do.
We are so excited for the same. So we have come. The expectations were first time. Of course, this is the first time experience, and we were so happy and.
Keep the desire, make you retire. We are ready.